Okay, so a blank project should start like for building something, right? I will show you 4 different ways that a project could or should start from zero in Fast Venue. And the most easy way maybe would be our new tool, Venue Creator, which is a suite of a lot of parametrical places. Here you can choose the kind of sport that you need. You have the official measures of the field, right? And you can parametrically change this. Okay, you can do it more rounded, more square, stand height, the field offset, having maybe a second balcony, stuff like that, and it's all parametrical. Okay, you can change the color of the of the tennis court, and you go to Fast Venue. Say you have something similar to this, and the client is happy, and you got a few minutes, 1 minute, and go to Fast Venue, and there you go. When you see blue, it's good because it's simulating. It's just that there is no speakers, but the part of getting something to work in and that looks nice, it's done. So starting fresh, another way to a second way to go and build something would be maybe to sometimes, when I was supporting consultants and contractors, they sometimes got from the client in a little church some hand drawing stuff. So here you have your own little SketchUp for your own shapes, and then you just go after, of course, a lot of more work, extrusion, copy paste and stuff. You send to Fast Venue, and you start placing speakers, and I think you're kind of done. Yeah. Now, third way, I really like this, and this one is really useful. Okay. Also in Shape Drawer, we will find the option which resembles what we did on the past. This is to import an image to use it as a floor. Okay. In the past, we went to Google Maps, right, and you have to cut some place, right. Oh, I live there. You have to cut some place, right, and save it as a file, and then from the other software import. In Fast Venue is different. Here we have the maps for you alive in the application. You can go to your place on the planet where you want to do your own outdoor event, outdoor venue, and choose between street of satellite and select an area, right, and send it to Fast Venue, and we'll go here for us to work over it. Okay, it is scaled because it comes scaled, so that's another less step that we were doing on the past softwares, and that's make us again faster to have the ability of getting the maps right inside the application for outdoor places and such. We will be able to build stuff here, to add some shape drawers, geometries, and so forth. So let's do the last one, the most important maybe. And now we got right to the import geometry, where we all know that this is the case. We are always getting these files, okay, from different venues, from different places, for different clients, and you have to deal with them. Okay, we have ways to deal with this which are really would say impressive because they are fun. For instance, this was one of the latest algorithms we made, in which the idea is not anymore to draw the audience areas, but to infer them, to detect them. Okay, and you can choose nothing and just get the geometry of the place, or paint SPL all the way the mesh, or all the mesh excluding the roofs, you know, or only the floor maybe, or floor and walls, incline the surfaces. This is not your case, but look at what we did with the bleachers, auto detection of bleachers. That's nice. And then if I press the simulation, that blue color is good because it means there is no speakers, but there is simulation. There is one follow there. Now, and yes, we in our work we deal with different geometries that come and go, and you have to see the chapter about automatic detection, because it's quite something, I would say. This one here, for instance, is a little proof of concept. I have seen tons of big stadium projects, places that you have this inclinated surfaces, which are the important, right? And there you go, detected for you, and that could be not one but a lot. So apply, and the blue is your friend. Yeah, geometries, geometries, and geometries. We will cover this in detail and in some place. Okay. You also can scale what you get. Okay, and there is a super straightforward way to do this, which is picking 2 points and telling the system which are the real distance between them. This is all, and it's boldy. Okay, real time, just a little bit more, apply. Okay, and then the important thing again that will help you: choose regions. What do I want to suppose this is kind of an auditorium, right, with this as the stage area, and I want the inclinated surface but not the bleachers, right? So only the inclinated surfaces. This is the part that people goes maybe anyway. Apply, and you get there working. So I invite you to see more about importing geometries, because that is a whole matter on its own. Thank you so much for your attention. This is Fast Venue.